Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can turn your Webtoon into English. So guys, if your Webtoon was first seen in a different language and you want to change it back to English, then this video is for you. So all you need to do is just open Webtoon first. And once you're there, as you can see, it's not in English. You just go ahead and look at the lower bar, and there you can see this three-lined option, and once you tap there you'll see even more options. And guys, the second option right next to the magnifying glass is this, and this is settings. And once you scroll down, you'll find the language option. So the language option is right here, the first one. And guys, to change the language, all you need to do is tap on this button and you can see English. Tap there, and there you go. You have successfully changed your Webtoon into English. So go back to make sure everything is in English. So as you can see, it's in English. I hope this video was helpful for you. That's how you turn Webtoon into English. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.